please help me welcome Master Ethan to the team. Very important that you keep your toes out to the side. Get around the turns in a safe and enthusiastic manner. Technique for standing up, excellent. Now's the time to utilise that new skill. Our foot comes off the peg and then we transition to the seated position. There are some great techniques in there that we've learnt to do. So your next turn is going to get you ready to go to Fort Lytton Motocross track. All right guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and we'll see you guys back here in turn 4.
The coaching here is always great.
Can't fault it, the kids have an amazing time and Harry can't wait to come every week for it.